example is integration of root or cot x by 2 plus root or tan x by 2 dx. So this we have to integrate. So what will come here? Integration of this one we have to convert in terms of sine and cos. So this will come out integration of root over, if you convert this one, what will come? Cos of x by 2 divided by sine of x by 2 plus this will come out in root over sine x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 dx. This will come. So here we will take LCM. So this will come integration of denominator what will come? Root over, we can write this one as what? Sine x by 2 into cos of x by 2. Numerator what will come? Root or cos x by 2 and into root or cos x by 2. So this will come cos of x by 2 plus, and this will come sine of x by 2 dx. This will come. Okay, now this one we can write what? Cos of x by 2 plus sine of x by 2 divided by root over sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. This one we can write about sine x divided by 2. This one we can write. Okay, so root 2 we can take outside. Okay, and it will go in numerator. So root 2 into sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 divided by root over sine x dx. This will come. Okay, now here we don't have sine 2x, we have sine x. Okay, and sine x also what we can write? If we have a sine x, then sine x also we can write like that: sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square minus 1, or 1 minus sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. Okay, similarly sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square minus 1, when we have to write. So what is the differentiation of sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2? So here what will come? 2, here also 2. Sine x by 2 differentiation what will come? Cos x by 2 into 1 by 2. Cos x by 2 into 1 by 2. And cos x by 2 differentiation what will come? Minus of sine x by 2 into 1 by 2. This will come. Okay, so in numerator we can take 1 by 2 outside also, correct? If I have cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2, then we have to convert in terms of sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Okay, and when we have to convert this one, so you are differentiating this one also. Okay, so here we are taking sine x by 2 cos x by 2. What is the differentiation of sine x by 2? That is cos x by 2 into 1 by 2, and minus cos x by 2 differentiation what will come? Plus sine x by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 we can take common, what will come? Cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2. So when we have cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2, then we have to convert in terms of sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2. Okay, so sine x we have to write 1 minus sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. So here you see, here we have sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2. That means this is not there. Okay, no need to convert this one. If in this one also, if I have 2 sine x by 2, okay, if in numerator only 2 sine x by 2 is there, that means 2 sine x by 2, then this one we have to write cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sine x by 2. 2 sine x by 2 we can write like that, but in numerator we have what? Sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2, and you can see this is will come in this one, sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2, correct? 1 by 2 we can take outside also, like that also we can write. So when we have this one, that means sine x we have to convert in terms of this one, that means sine x we have to write 1 minus sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. So here what will come? This integration what we write? Root 2 is outside, integration of numerator is what? Sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 into dx divided by root over sine x. So sine x we have to write this one. So what will come here? 1 minus sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. This we have to write. Now this one we have to take t. So I am taking sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 as t. So this will come what? 1 by 2 sine differential what will come? Cos of x by 2 plus sine of x by 2 dx equal to what will come? Dt will come. Okay, that means sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 dx, we can write dt by 2. So this is called root 2 integration, this is called dt divided by 2 root over, this is called 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square. So this is called 1 by root 2 dt divided by root over 1 minus t square, dt divided by root over a square minus x square, we can write what? Sin inverse x by a, that means t by 1 plus c. So this is called 1 by root 2 sin inverse, what is t? What is t? Sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. So this is called sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 divided by 1 plus c. This is your answer.